Students, competitive JEE NEET 2025 focus. Oxidation state of nitrogen in hydrozoic acid is. You see, four options were given: -3, -1/2, -2, -1/3. So, what is the formula of hydrozoic acid? N3H. Okay. Formula of hydrozoic acid N3H. You are going to calculate the oxidation number of nitrogen. You know, oxidation number of hydrogen belongs to first group. They show +1 oxidation state. Hydrogen shows +1. Okay, now you see 3 into nitrogen 3 into x 3x plus hydrogen shows +1 oxidation state. Nitrogen oxidation state, you simply say x. 3 into x 3x plus hydrogen, you know, that is +1. So 3x plus 1, the algebraic sum of the total is equal to 0. You are well versed regarding this concept. So 3 into x, hydrogen shows +1. 3 into x plus 1 is equal to 0. 3x is equal to +1. Go that side, -1. X is equal to -1/3. The right answer. Oxidation number of nitrogen in hydrogenic acid is -1/3. Thank you. Like, share, subscribe for more and more videos to crack JEE NEET in 2025 with flying colors. Thank you.